guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video. For today's video I am finally going to start my Pujo series, and I asked you guys if you want to see a 5 days makeup tutorial and you guys voted yes. So I'm going to create 5 days of Durga Puja look. So this is the first look, which is for Shashti. I have decided to teach you guys how to do a transfer proof base, because keeping in mind पिछले साल से लेके इस साल तक हम लोग को मास्क के बिना कहीं हम जा नहीं पा रहे. So Pujo without mask is really not safe, and we have got to wear mask wherever we go. So mask में क्या होता है, our makeup transfers on the mask and you can see patches on your face as well as the mask. As well as on the mask we can see the makeup which does not look good. So I am going to show you guys how to do a transfer proof base so that your base makeup and your full makeup does not transfer easily onto the mask. So with that I'm going to start today's video, and I'm going to create this subtle glam Indian look which is transfer proof and perfect for Shashti. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay you guys, so I have done my skincare, and इस वीडियो में मैं skincare routine नहीं दिखाने वाली हूँ, like the routine that I follow before doing my makeup. मेरे पिछले के काफ़ी सारे makeup videos में I have shown my basic skincare routine, so I'm going to move on and straight away do the makeup because this video might be a little long. I'm going to explain a few stuffs in this video, so that's why it might be a little long, so please bear with me. And okay, so let's start with the first step. I'm going to start today's makeup with primer. That is the first. So for primer I'm going to use the My Glam's Tinted Perfection Transparent Primer. This is a really good primer, and I'm going to take a little bit of this and I'm just going to use this first. So actually during this festive season you want your makeup to be flawless, so always use primer before doing anything. This primer is actually really very good. This is by the brand My Glam, and I love My Glam products, and this is again one of my favorites. Alright, so let's move on to the next step, which is foundation, and this is by far one of the most important steps in today's makeup. So आज के makeup पे we are going to focus more on making our foundation and concealer. That is the basic steps for your base makeup to be transfer proof. So that's why we are going to use foundation which is long lasting and which gives full on coverage today, and with that we are going to use a setting spray. So the foundation that I'm going to use is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I'm in the shade Classic Beige, and the setting spray that I'm using is this one by Swiss Beauty. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take this foundation on the back of my hand. Now if you have those palette sort of thing, then you can take it over there as well, but I'm just taking it on the back of my hand here. Next I'm going to take my setting spray, and I'm just going to spritz a little bit on this. Then I'm going to mix it up well. As you guys can see, I am mixing the foundation up. I'm just going to put this foundation all over my face without leaving anything, so I'm not just going to stripe it out. I'm going to put the foundation all over my face in the form of small dots so that face का कोई भी जगह खाली ना रहे. I'm going to start off with the inner corners of my face first. From the inside I'm just going to move out. So ये foundation लेके अब देख सकते हो कि मैं foundation अब धीरे धीरे अपने outer side of the face पे भी लगा रही हूँ. Then on the chin, और आपको ये देखना है कि आपके face का कोई भी part खाली ना जाए. आपको पूरा अच्छे से foundation लगा लेना अपने face पे. ये makeup sponge की help से I'm going to blend the foundation. Now I'm going to go in dabbing motion, and I am not going to rub the foundation. I keep on telling this in every single video that if you dab the foundation, then your foundation base becomes more flawless, rather than if you rub it in, then some parts of your face becomes cakey. So that's why always it takes a lot of time. It might be a painful process, but always dab your foundation because it is really very important. If you are looking for a flawless makeup look, then please give it time, because if your face becomes really cakey and it looks bad, so give it time. I'm sure you're gonna love the base. Now one thing that I realized while using the foundation, the first thing that is foundation बहुत अच्छे से सेट हो गया है. आप लोग देख सकते हो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा seamless seamlessly blend हो चुका है and the finishing is also super nice. At least I really like it. I don't know camera पे कैसा लग रहा है, but it is looking really good in reality as well. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to move on to the next step. So for the next step I'm going to use concealer. So I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Color Corrector Concealer, and I'm going to put it in the usual areas, that is under my eyes, the bridge of my nose and all of that place. So I'm going to give my concealer a little lift, so that's why I'm doing it in the inner corner as well as I'm just going to, like, you know, outer corners पे मैं थोड़ा ऐसे slanting में मैं लगा रही हूँ, ताकि when I blend it, my eyes, the concealer after blending it has a lifting effect on the makeup as well. So easy to blend. Now okay, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this foundation by My Glam. It is their Pose HD foundation. Now it is a very light shade, very lighter than my skin. So what I do is I use this to highlight some high points of my face. So I'm going to put it on the forehead area, on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, chin, because I'm going to highlight these places, a little bit on the under eye, and on my eyelids. I use this as my eyeshadow base as well. So I'm going to again take this damp sponge and just blending it in. You can see that after I blend this in, you can see that the areas that I applied it brightens a little bit. So that is what I want. I want this to highlight the high points of my face. Concealer पूरी तरह से यूज करने के बाद, do not forget to set your concealer. It is very important. So for that, what I'm going to use this I'm going to use the Lakme Ultra Matte Compact, and I am going to take this sponge right here and just going to take the powder and put it under my eyes, nice to set it in. Now I'm going to use a sponge for today's, I generally go for a brush, but today I'm going to use a sponge because I want to just set these areas, because later on I'm going to use a little bit more powder and I'm going to tell you guys why. Okay, so base makeup मैं यहाँ तक छोड़ दूँगी, उसके बाद I'm going to move on and do my eyes, and then the rest of the base I'll complete after my eyes. So I'm going to start off by doing my eyebrows first. So eyebrow के लिए I'm going to use this kajal. It's actually a kajal pencil by Avon, but it works so nicely as a creamy eyebrow product. So that's why I use this when I'm going for a simple, subtle makeup. So just going to slightly fill in my brows, not too much. I have to get my brows done, but anyways, I'm going to slightly fill in my brows using this product. Next, I'm going to move on and do my eyeshadow. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to go. So today I'm thinking of going a little like nude eye look, I was telling you guys, but I'm thinking of going with a brown smoky eye. So let's see what the eye look turns out to be. So I'm going to use this palette by Nika K. It is there under the Sea Eye palette. I'm going to take this brown shade right here. I'm going to take my brush. This is the blending brush. I'm going to start like full on blending this from the beginning itself. So I'm going to take very lightly the brown shade. So I have taken the brown shade from the palette, and I'm going to firstly start by doing the outer corners of my eyes. Next, I'm going to take this palette by Makeup Revolution. It is the Red Alert palette, and I am going to take this particular shade right here. It is not a brown shade, but it is like slightly, it has a slight red tone to it, but I really like it. So I'm going to take this and start blending it with this. But take this Swiss Beauty palette, and I'm going to take this brown shade. Where is it? I'm going to take this shade right here. It's a shimmer shade, and the center part, my eyelid. I hope you guys can see what I've done. Next I'm going to take this same brush and just going to blend it in so that it does not have any harsh line. I'm pretty much liking the look. It is a very simple look. Anyone can easily create it, but it actually looks super good. So I'm going to move on and do the same with this eye, and I'll be back. On to the next step, which is eyeliner, one of my favorites. I'm going to go for a very small wing liner look today. So I'm going to use this eyeliner by Lakme, one of my favorites, very affordable and really good. One of my favorite liquid eyeliners, to be more specific. Next I'm going to move on and apply kajal on my waterline. So I'm going to use this kajal by Faces Canada. Yeah, I'm going to use the magnetized kajal by Faces Canada on my waterline, and then I'm going to move on to the next step. I am going to use this mascara. This is the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. This is the waterproof one. I have the normal one as well. This is the waterproof one. I'm going to just slightly give a little bit of volume to my lashes. So the thing that I was telling you guys that I'm going to now I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Palette, and I'm going to take this bronzer powder from this side and slightly, I won't say exactly contour, but just add a little bit of warmth to the makeup. So just using this bronzer powder and applying it. Maybe slightly contour. I don't like contouring because my face does not need a lot of contour. Contour, like slightly contour my nose. Okay, so for the next step, I'm going to take this sponge and I'm going to take the banana powder right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of powder on both. So as we wear masks, this area is the one which is covered, and we tend to sweat a lot in this area. So with this powder, I'm just going to set these areas a little bit more using this powder, and I am going to do a lot of different places as well. But first I'm just going to do it over here, then on the side of our nose, because this area tends to sweat a lot, at least for me, and here, and then very light-handedly blend it in. Very slowly, do not rub, just light-handedly blend the powder. It gives, so as you guys can see, I have nicely blended it in. So for blush, I'm going to use the Sugars Mini Blush in the shade Salmon Superstar, and I am going to use this brush. This is my brush for my blush, and I'm going to apply my blush in the upper direction because I want to lift my face. I do not want to make my face look small. I just want to give a little bit lift to the makeup. Yes, going upwards. Same here. I'm not going to go overboard with the blush because I do not want my face to look red and all. So very light blush, that's all. My blush. So next I'm going to move on to highlighter. For highlighter, I'm of course going to use my all-time favorite highlighter, the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. This is such a gorgeous highlighter, super pigmented. So I'm going to take this brush right here and I'm going to highlight the higher points of my face. This highlighter is just so good, especially for the festive season. Superb, it works so fine. And for the last time, use the setting spray before applying my lipstick. So just a little bit of that. And with the same sponge, I'm going to slightly blend it all in one piece. And now, as I've kept my eyes a little lighter, I have not gone for any too popping colors or anything, so I'm going to go for a little darker lipstick shade. So I'm going to use one of my favorite lip shades of all time. This is the Faces Canada Ultimate Pro HD lipstick, and this is such a gorgeous plum shade. So I'm just going to use this lipstick and we'll be done. And we are done with the lipstick as well, so I'm going to go quickly do my hair into something and I'll be back. So here I have my makeup remover, so I'm going to slightly press, I'm going to press it on my face. And you guys can see nothing has come on the tissue, so yeah. So I am done with the full look, and you guys can see how flawless the base is looking. It is totally, like, the base is set very nicely, and I'm gonna even show you that it is transfer proof. But before that, let me just tell you what I did. I've just put my hair into a small bun and secured it with some bobby pins. I've taken 2 strands out, and I have applied a bindi because I just wanted it to be a little bit more on the Indian glam side. So yeah, this was it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it and found it helpful. So if you are doing a transfer proof base just like I did, then I would love to see your look. Also, do leave in the comment section below how, if you liked it or not, and I tried to explain it all. So if you have any queries, you can also leave it in the comment section below. I would love to answer all your questions. So that's it. I will see you guys in my next video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram. The handle is here on the screen, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.